Hi, this is Lily from New Woman and welcome. Well, I have something interesting to share this morning with you. Something wonderful that I've just come across while I was online, and it's a beautiful saying. The most important virtue to have is courage. So I never thought about being, courageous, or the word courage. I did not realize how important it was until I went online and listened to Maya Angelou. Now, her quote was saying, if there's anything in life that you need, that is courage. You need courage in everything you do in life. You do, to be courageous and just to step out of your comfort zone and do something different. That's being courageous. So, one thing I know for sure is if you're ever to go into an interview or go into a live audience, you need a lot of courage. And I just love the way she says, when you're going into an interview, make sure you take everyone that has loved you in the past with you, whether it's your grandmother, your grandfather, your auntie, your uncle, all those people that have loved you during those years. Take them with you that have passed on. Take them with you into an interview or wherever you're going to face anything, like standing up in a crowd and delivering a speech to a live audience. Take those people that have been kind to you in the past who have passed on. And when people will see it and wonder, oh, why do you look so different? You look so amazing. Little do they know that you have all these people with you. And when I listened to that, I thought it was amazing. So I thought I could share that with you, because that's what I'm going to take on every time now that I'm going to say something. Even doing this video right now, it takes a lot of courage. And putting this video on Facebook, putting it on YouTube, it takes a lot of courage just to be in front of people. So that's just an example of what I'm trying to say. I think for anyone who wants to step out and do something different, have courage. Have the courage. Take the courage with you, because it's the best virtue you can ever have. And that's not my saying, but it's a saying from one beautiful, amazing woman. That's Maya Angelou. So that was just it. That's just something simple and easy to share with you, and I hope you take it in. Hey, this is Lily from New Woman. My word for today is be courageous, or, have the courage just to do and face anything in life. Cheers. Enjoy the day, and don't forget to subscribe to my video for the next time that I'm on, and also click onto the links below so that you can follow me if you choose to. Anyway, have a great day. Cheers.